Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys, so in today's video we will be you already know. So if you want to know what I got, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you've seen, we're going to be doing, unboxing our January's Boxycharm. Our first box of 2020. So let's get ready. Alright, so I had already opened this. I already know what's inside because I did a little mini clip on it for Instagram. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, my Instagram information is below the description box. It's always there. It's always been there since I started my channel. So if you are not following, make sure you do. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do it. Alright, so first things first. We have a Skin & Co. Roma. It's a truffle therapy polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. Yeah, it's like a skin conditioner, just smoothing out your face. I've used it. I don't like the smell of it, but it's good. Alright, next we have a setting mist. It helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. And this is from IN Beauty Project. And this is the Power of Dual Face Setting Mist. Next we have a Mana Beauty Simplified Lipstick. And this is in the color Lip Whip Beige. Alright, and in here we have the Too Faced Diamond Fire highlighter, and which is over here. I kind of do honestly like the packaging. It's really pretty. It's like you're getting an engagement ring, but I haven't got one yet. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. This is 24/7 retinol eye cream with ruby crystal complex. Alright, so let's get this started. So the first thing we're going to go in with, I want to go ahead and set my face with the Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. It's really nice. Smells refreshing. Next, I want to go in with the eye cream, and we're going to go ahead and dab that on the Did I even show what I had? Okay, so I'm sorry. I didn't even show the camera what I got. So this is the face gommage, the Power Up face setting mist, and we have the lipstick right here. We have the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter, and then the Dr. Brandt eye cream. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to go into eyes. I kind of thought like I'm going to go ahead and use this as eyeshadow. You're going to be like, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and apply this on there. Kind of weird, but I haven't done this in a while, but we're going to go ahead and do it. Oh, lordy, lordy, lord. too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Go ahead and clean up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the Butter London palette, and I'm gonna go in, with one of these shimmer shades right here, and we're gonna apply that.
Too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on this, lashes, and then apply my falsies. So let me go ahead and apply my falsies, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. Lashes are on. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into the face. I'm gonna go in with the I need some primer. Alright, primer. We're gonna go in with the Smashbox, the photo, the original. Excuse me, the photo finish. The original photo finish.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Alright, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. and it's gonna be in the I'm in the shade Sooty and Lily Lining. Both shades.
History, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be?
Alright, so for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the No Filter Concealer from ColourPop. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder.
Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look,
I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. And I'm going in with the XOXO Lisa Frank bronzer with X Glamour Dolls. And that's just it. Alright, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Blush Trio. highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced. What is it? Oh, Fancy Pink Diamond. I can't believe I already forgot what it was. Alright, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with that lipstick that we used. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look on January's Boxycharm. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!